Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to show you on how to sketch absolute value functions. Now, when I see the line inside the absolute value sign, okay, whatever we have here doesn't matter. Now, what I imagine right away is the game of Pong. Do you see the game of Pong? The one you have a screen and then there's a tiny ball and then you have to you have to move this, right? And then now if we trace the movement of the ball, okay, once it bounces, it's shaped like that, isn't it? Or even when it bounces at the wall here, bounces like that, right? So these are the shape of absolute values. Okay, so that's why when I think about absolute value, I straight away think of the game of Pong. Okay, so it must be in the shape of this or in the shape of this. Okay, so maybe I use this color. So it's either this or this, and then we need to know where this V shape or incomplete A shape are located. So we need to find where is this point, the reflection point, if you will. Okay, I just call it reflection point. I don't know whether it's a correct term in mathematics or not. It doesn't matter, but we are looking this point first. We call it reflection points. Why? Because that's the point where the ball reflect lah, right? Okay, so first thing first, we need to find the point. Find reflection point. Ayo, my handwriting. Find, okay, reflection point. Okay, how to find reflection point? Easy. How to find the x? Easy also. X plus b equals 0. So x is minus b. Now how to find the y? Y even easier. Y just take plus c. Settle. Now what is the coordinate? The point is at negative b, c. Okay, that is not 6 but b, c. And then next, look at a. Look at a. Now, if a is greater than 0, then the shape is V shape. The shape of the absolute value function is that. Okay, if a is less than 0 or negative, then it will be like that. Okay, now why don't we do it right away with example that we have a. Oh, we don't have. I just made one up then. Okay, now let's see. Fx equal 2 minus x. Okay, so first we find the point. Okay, we find the point. So x, how to find the x? 2 minus x, everything inside here equals 0. So x is 2. Okay, and the y, okay, the y is just take everything except of the modulus. Y is 2. So the point is at reflection point is at 2, 2. Okay, now number 2. What to do? Look at the A. Now where is the A? Here is the A. The A is minus 1, which is less than 0. Therefore, the shape is going like this. Okay, it's like a V but going is facing downwards. Yeah. Okay, now let's sketch it then. Now the axis, let's see. Okay, so maybe I can have the axis like this. Yeah. So the axis, the point, we put the point first. Easier. So this one is 2, and then this 2 x, y, and then we have it going like this. Now, since the left part of the line here, the one that I deleted, this one here, since it's closer to the origin, so there might be 3 possibilities of the line. It's either, it's either going like this, going through a positive x, or like this, going through 0, x0 origin, or like this, going through a negative x. So how we're going to find the value? Easy. Okay, so we just need to add another step here. find x-intercept or y-intercept if it's applicable. Okay, because we have to sketch first and then we know whether it has a x-intercept or y-intercept. Yeah, in this case we want to find the x-intercept. Now x-intercept is when y equals 0. So find x-intercept when y equals 0. So where is the function? Over here, right? Okay, just take y equals 2 minus modulus 2 minus x. Okay, so we have 2 minus y0 lah, right? Okay, 0 and 0 lah. Okay, that one 0, good. So 2 minus x. Okay, and then we solve them. So this one is 2 minus x modulus. So this one, it means two values. Okay, it's either negative 2 minus x or 2 plus 2 minus x. Okay, so expand them. This one also expand, and then this one I get x0, this one I get x equals 4. Okay, now as you can see here, since this is 2, so this is clearly a 4. Okay, so on the right hand side of 2 is clearly a 4. Now so 4 done already, we put there already. Okay, now where to put 0? So 0 is clearly is the middle one, so we can get rid of this. So this is the correct line for the function. Okay, so we can label our function as fx, and there you go. That's how you sketch a absolute value function. Or maybe so on the left hand side here is the instruction. Okay, and then the middle part is our solution, and the right part is the graph. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.